Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewer. I hope you are fine. According to my course outline, my first lecture is completed. My first lecture is about the land measurement. If you have any question about my previous lecture, please you ask me. Now I want to start my second part of my course outline. The second part of my course outline is full estimation from foundation to superstructure. Today I select my first topic is about the break calculation. That's mean how to find number of breaks. Now let's start. Solution by first method. For example, this is a wall, length is 10 feet, height is 10 feet, and thickness of wall is 9 inch, which equal to 0.75 feet. Volume of wall is equal to length multiplied by height multiplied by thickness. T is the thickness of wall. V equal to 10 feet multiplied by 10 multiplied by 9 inch divided by 12 to convert inch into feet. V equal to 75 cubic foot. Note: for 100 cubic foot breakwork, 1350 number of breaks is required. This is constant value. And for 1 cubic foot, 13.5 number of breaks is required. Formula for number of breaks: wall volume, which equal to 75 cubic foot multiplied by 13.5. Number of breaks is equal to 75 multiplied by 13.5. Breaks required 10-13 numbers. Now turn to second page and explain the second method. Now let's start. Formula for number of breaks equal to volume of wall divided by 1 break volume. How to find 1 break volume? This is a break. Dimension is length is 9 inch, breadth is 4.5 inch, and thickness or height is 3 inch. Volume equal to 9 inch multiplied by 4.5 inch multiplied by 3 inch, and divide this value by 12 to convert inch into feet. Volume equal to 0.0703 cubic foot. This is volume of break without motor. If we count the volume of motor with brakes to be equal to 0.074 cubic foot. Number of brakes equal to 75 divided by 0.074. Number of brakes equal to 1013 number. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Inshallah, see you with another video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.